So let's get right into it. If you know Ty from Jude Law's video, been trying to trap Jude Law, and if you know Jude Law, he is a mock trapper, and uh, like Ty tried to trap Jude Law like um a damas trap, like this is how there's a lot of signs so that Jude cannot escape, and I made I tried I mean tried made make Jude Law to sit in this chair stairs and break the stairs so Jude Law falls to the trap, but Jude Law saw it like was it like this? I don't really remember, so Jude Law was and wanting Jude Law for meeting or something, and Jude Law like he said like he feels like um Dr. Donut and saw the trap before he can, but he still died by a maze. Is it a maze? I remember. So I upgraded it to like this, and yeah, and this is how he like it. Yeah, and if he like sits, Jude Law would like not like this area because I don't remember. Oh, yeah, yeah. Jude Law wouldn't do better because there's moss over here, so he will pick this chair because he thinks there's no trap because there's no moss, so it begins. How do you know? Yes, either Jude Law sits here and Ty sits in this, and then he will just look at the screws, so it's like, oh, it, it just, so we can do is and pretend they immediately puts a chocolate and it opens this, like that, so you can see. Yeah, like that. So or maybe I didn't put some signs and I didn't cover this up so I can see it. So yeah, this is the redstone sticking above. Okay. This is where the lever. This is so you can see. Bedrock, so PE players or pocket music players can comment this. But if the first or Java players this, you can still upgrade it. So this is how this redstone redstone over here on this torch. So there's no I mean this if there's no torch it will just be open, and if you turn this lever it will close. So yeah, so so that's why this and there's a repeater in one tick connected to this block, and this is there's a one tick repeater, so it will, if it is a redstone dust, it will turn on if this repeater hits this block, and it will also activate this, so this will likely turn on and off a bunch. And there's a two tick repeater, so wait, let me just there's a one tick repeater, so that this thing turns on first. And I mean, yeah, and this observer detects it and turns this torch off, like takes this piston over here, because if it doesn't, it will you will just go into the block, and because this is an observer, it will automatically turns this redstone torch on again, so that it will pushes you back into the hole. And this redstone dust can also connect to these two pistons that activates first, and this can go into the over yeah, into wait, automatic repeater that goes over here, and a 3-tick repeater, so that it will turn on this, so that if it so that if that trap goes on, this will just turns off later, and this piston pushes it, and this that redstone that goes over here will it take the what the heck? Oh, take this and stairs and the other piston inside it, and it takes it, so it will open this hole over here, like just like that. And yeah, if I turn it on back again, if I, if I turn it on back again, I meant off, it will close it. And yeah, and this will turn off first, I meant on, and this will turn off later if I press this redstone turns off later, and I mean first, then this one, so it will get oops, or maybe it doesn't, so shit, so what, so you don't need it actually, so where is it? Shit, I'm lagging. Oh, I'll just actually and just still put this over, so yeah. And this mark will be right here, indicating you to put the pressure plate over here, thus up, thus making it a trap. And why I've upgraded this because it's so dumb just to you know, break the block and making your low have more time to react.